Alright guys, so it's officially fall and that means our nighttime temperatures are getting a lot cooler. I believe last night it drops down to 40 something degree Fahrenheit, and so that means I'll have to start moving a lot of my tropicals and warm climate trees into the greenhouse, which I finally got clean out and ready for them. Um, uh, this greenhouse is going to be heated, so it's going to be a little bit warmer at night times, and I told myself at the beginning of this year that I would get rid of a lot of the trees that I can live without, but obviously that didn't happen. So I thought I would have more times, but I don't. So I still pretty much have pretty much all of the trees that I said I would get rid of. Um, I did gift a lot away. I didn't really sell any. It just I grow them as a hobby, so I don't really sell them. But I did gift a lot of the younger, smaller materials away. So so I am in the progress of moving a lot of the trees into the greenhouse, and I have moved a lot of the larger one in, and then I'll be starting fitting a lot of the smaller trees around the empty space. Unfortunately, they're not all gonna fit into this greenhouse, so I'll have to bring some inside and either place them by bright windows or use grow lights. And I'm not a fan of grow lights just because I'm not really good at growing things with grow lights, to be honest. Um, but yeah, but this is just pretty much 1/3 of my trees. It's gonna be pretty filled up in here and be quite a bit of mess, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah.